Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with my Julep unboxing for the month of June. So if you're interested in seeing what came in this month's box, stick around guys. Okay, here are the items I received this month. I got Apollo Polish, and see if I can get that name to show up. It's called Roberta. And it's in box 8128. So that's the number for this one, 8128, Roberta. I'm really liking Julep's polishes. They are very vibrant, pretty colors. I have on some now. My goal is to try a different color every time I get my nails done. This is the second one, and I'm a teal lover, so the color came out really pretty on the other polish. So I'm really liking their polishes. I think Roberta's color is gorgeous. Julep makes some beautiful colors, guys. I'm wearing one of their colors now. I'm going into the point now where I'm trying to make sure that every time I get my nails done, I'm using my Julep polish. So that color is very pretty. The next item that I received is this lip mousse from Julep. The color I picked is called Smooch. It's sort of a reddish color. I thought I would try it because I have their, I think I have a matte neutral color. But the box says it's whipped matte lip mousse, and I think it's I like their stuff. I like their packaging. Is very beautiful. The packaging is always so pretty to me. Hey, this is something new. I've never ordered one of their makeup brushes, and I thought I would get one today. I do like their packaging. I love the weight of this brush. I can't wait to try it. It's an eyeshadow brush, so I can't wait to try this. I love Julep's packaging. Their packaging for their items is very pretty. I like their, I fell in love with their packaging a long time ago when I first got my first bottle of lip matte from them. So guys, this is my small unboxing from Julep for the month of June. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Guys, if you're interested in Julep, look down below. I have a link to click on where you can go right to them and look at all their products. And also, guys, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please do so by clicking that subscribe button down below. And next to it, you see a bell. And that bell will notify you every time I upload a video. So click on it. And follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below. As always, guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying, you guys be blessed.